Hello everyone, my name is June. Today I want to hear my thoughts about our planet. We only have one Earth, but right now it is in danger. The air is dirty, the oceans are full of plastic, and the weather is getting strange. Some people think only governments or scientists can protect the Earth, but I believe small actions done by ordinary people like us can save our planet. First, we can save energy in our daily life. For example, when we leave a room, we should turn off the lights. When we are not using a computer or a TV, we can unplug them. These actions look very small, but when millions of people do them, we can save a huge amount of electricity. Second, we can reduce plastic. Plastic is everywhere, but it takes hundreds of years to disappear. Instead of using plastic bags, we can use our own eco bag. Instead of buying water in bottle, we can use tumblers or usable cups. These small habits protect animals in the ocean like turtles and dolphins. Third, we can plant the trees and take care of nature. Trees give us fresh air and a home for animals. Even planting the trees can help reduce carbon dioxide. If every student planted just one tree, the earth would be a much greener place. Finally, we can recycle. When we separate paper, plastic, glass, and cans, they can be used again. Recycling is easy, but it has a big impact. For example, recycling one can save enough energy to run a TV for several hours. Isn't that amazing? Small actions may look weak, but together they become very strong. I am only a middle school student, but I can still make a difference. I can turn off the lights, reduce plastic, plant the trees, and even recycle. If all of us try these actions, our earth will become cleaner and healthier. So let's remember this. Small actions can save our planet. Let's protect the earth, but because it is our only home. Thank you for listening.